Really that easy to get into real estate though. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a super contractor. You don't need to have years of experience, but you should build the right team, right? And you should definitely be focusing on your credit if you don't have the money to do these projects. Because when you focus on your credit, you'll be able to leverage that credit to get the access to the capital to take down a property like this and make some sufficient money on the back end. Let's get active. So we in South Philly today. New property we just closed on, I wanna say maybe 2 weeks ago. As you can see, we super active, getting straight to it. We don't hesitate, we don't wait, we pull permits and we get to it, right? But this is the thing. Everybody that's doing real estate online is telling you you could come in and do it, no money out of pocket or little money out of pocket, but not truly teaching you how to access the capital to do so. This particular property, we went right to the bank, got the access to the capital that we needed to purchase this property by leveraging those funds with a hard money lender. There's 3 main things that I like to do before I get any property. I need to know 3 main things. Before we get into the intricacies of everything, I need to know 3 main things. 1, what is the purchase price? How much are we actually buying this for? 2, what is the rehab cost gonna be? Then 3, what is the ARV, the after repair value? All right, with those 3 details, I can understand whether this is a good deal or a bad deal. And that's gonna also base me or make me understand how much money we need to go after with the bank. So this particular property, $315,000 is what we purchased at. All right, rehab is roughly $120,000 to $150,000, and then the ARV is $730,000. So that means there's about a $200,000 spread on the back. All right, let's look around. So what's going on here, right? Once you start doing a rehab project, you gotta actually know what you're doing. This is where you really get hurt at, right? When you start rehabbing and you don't know what you're doing, you don't know costs, you don't know the scope of work. So I don't have 10,000 hours in rehab and construction. I'm not a general contractor. I don't do that, right? But I do have a partner. My brother sees that he does that, right? I allow him to take care of all the rehab, understanding what he got to do, what he don't have to do, and he makes sure that our money is retained within the construction. So what's going on right here, bro?
So basically what we do is, from start to finish, we start with demo. We do your demo, we do a clean out. After we do the clean out, we start the framing. That's the process we're in right now. We're in the framing process. This is a house we have, 5 bedrooms. This house is massive. Each bedroom has their own closet. Upstairs is the master bedroom with a master bathroom in it. Let me show y'all how we're gonna have the layout. So when we coming up the steps, as y'all see right here, we coming up the steps, there's gonna be a bedroom right here. There's a nice sized bedroom right here. This bedroom has a closet, walk-in closet. The bedroom that you guys are in right now, this is another bedroom, another walk-in closet behind you, right here. This is a walk-in closet too. There's 2 bedrooms this way and also the bathroom, the main bathroom. Let me show you. Watch y'all step too. It's a workhouse. Yeah, so basically what we're gonna do is, this is the front door. So we're gonna have a right swing door, so the door is gonna swing to the right. There's gonna be a tub, shower right here. On the side right here, there's gonna be a vanity. And in the corner is gonna be your bathroom. So this bathroom is massive. On the outside, this is framed up for washer and dryer. So now, everybody on this floor, you know, can use the washer and dryer. So I'm gonna show y'all the back bedroom. Basically the same concept in every bedroom. This is another bedroom. This is a small bedroom to this house. I mean, for this house, but it's the only smallest bedroom in this house. And it's a nice sized bedroom as well. The back bedroom is right here. We put a closet in the back. I mean, we're gonna keep all our windows. I like keeping windows because it makes the house look bigger and gives more space. And it gives more lighting as well. So when you got the lighting and depending on the color of the walls, we paint them, it makes the house look big and massive.
Really that easy to get into real estate though. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a super contractor. You don't need to have years of experience, but you should build the right team, right? And you should definitely be focusing on your credit if you don't have the money to do these projects. Because when you focus on your credit, you'll be able to leverage that credit to get the access to the capital to take down a property like this and make some sufficient money on the back end, right? This property, like I told you, we paid $315,000 for it. And using hard money, we bought what? 15% at closing, right? It was all said and done with taxes, say like 23%, right? And with that 23%, that looked like $72,000 that we had to bring to closing to buy this property. Now remember, the hard money lender is gonna give us 100% of construction. Okay, so with that 72,000, I would say also added on maybe about another 50 grand. So $120,000 could get you this property and get you your first phase of construction, because the contractor has to have that money to start the construction. Okay, hard money will then give you draws and you can recoup that 50,000 or so that you put into the project. Remember, I told you this is about $150,000 in construction budget. So that's like 3 phases if you have 50 grand set aside to do the rehab. All right, that's exactly how you do this. Hopefully you learned something from this project, and I can see you starting your next one. Let's get active.